Here are my birds, so I'll show you. Hey. Where is your girlfriend, huh? The girlfriend is inside here. Let me take it out. Hey, don't run away. No. Yeah. It's out. This is girlfriend going to lay eggs soon. That's why it's in there. Hey, shut up. Beautiful. Stop kissing if I am here. You should stop that. Well, it will take like maybe 1 week and she will lay eggs. Then the babies will come. And here I have one more couple. I love this bird. This female is inside. You can see the egg, small one. She laid one egg already. Here is a female of this very cool one. So only 4 I got, because it's very difficult to handle them nowadays because this weather is getting hot and we should take care of them. So I will update you later if I got any new babies of the parrots. Okay, go inside. Okay, not disturbing you anymore. I'm going by.